Congratulations on your new AKS accu-kut. We know you're excited to get your machine cutting, but before a technician arrives to install your machine, there are 4 steps you need to complete. This short video will help you quickly understand what is expected ahead of your installation. We're covering this now because you will be held accountable for any cost incurred as a result of lack of preparedness. Proper preparation ensures a timely and cost-effective installation of your machine. Let's get started. Step number 1 is to prepare the area for the machine. Ensure the area is clear of any items or debris. Next, ensure that the machine is in position with the feet installed. Our technician will level the machine. Then assemble and position the dust collector and ensure all utilities are installed for it, but do not connect the ductwork to the table. Now it's time for step 2, your utility requirements. This is the most vital step of your pre-installation process. You will find all of the specifications for your utilities in your sales order acknowledgement. The sales order acknowledgement came with a physical pre-installation checklist in the AKS branded box that arrived ahead of your machine. Permanently wire the CNC cabinet and power supply in accordance with the electrical power requirements outlined in your sales order acknowledgement. A separate primary electrical disconnect switch is required for the CNC cabinet. Next, you will need to confirm the following: the proper voltage and amperage for your dust collector, that you will have oxygen, nitrogen, and air on site for installation, confirm the air compressor requirements, and confirm the water purity guidelines. Remember, all of this information is on your physical pre-installation checklist, and it will tell you exactly what page to find it on in your sales order acknowledgement. Okay, we've covered the most important step, so there are just a couple more. Step number 3 is to confirm the following additional connections. An 8-foot by 5/8 inch ground rod is available on site and ready to be installed, or already installed within 20 feet of the ground stud on the side of the machine. Your air hose is installed or ready to be installed. Remember, this is a separate hose. Do not tie it into the air supply. Ensure your network cable or Wi-Fi is ready to connect to the CNC cabinet. Okay, time for the last step, step number 4. Make sure your nesting software is installed and that you've completed your software training with Hypertherm. Remember to complete all 4 steps outlined in this video, double-check your physical checklist, and refer to your sales order acknowledgement for all utility requirements. When those are done, you are ready for installation and will be cutting in no time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our service team.